Good morning. My name is Bob Scott, Executive Editor of the Progressive Accountant, and I'm here today at the New York Accounting Show talking to Ian Clyde, who's a sales manager with Avalara. Avalara, which is based in Bainbridge Island, Washington, makes sales tax applications, and they're applications that can work with a wide range of products in the accounting field, e-commerce. And Ian, I'd like you to talk a minute about just, what applications does your product work with? What accounting applications?
Okay, so Avatax is a cloud-based sales tax application that has about 150 integrations to different applications. So we integrate to QuickBooks. We're OEM'd as Sage Sales Tax, so we have integrations to Mass 500, Mass 90, Mass 200, ACPAC, Peachtree. We were the 2010 Microsoft Software as a Service Partner of the Year, and we have integrations to all the Microsoft Dynamics applications, as well as NetSuite, Epicor, Intact, and many others. We also have pre-built integrations to many of the major e-commerce solutions or shopping carts, like Magento and 3D Cart and Uber Cart. As well, we have a software development kit that's used to tie into custom applications. So Avatax can be used in virtually any environment to solve the challenges of multi-state sales tax compliance.
Now, when you talk about challenges, I know that sales tax can be very complicated. What are some of those challenges in this economy?
Well, there's three major challenges with sales tax. So first is the rates. There are about 11,000 tax jurisdictions in North America. The second area of challenge is product and service taxability. So a good example there would be downloadable software. Roughly half the states tax downloadable software. So there's millions of products and services that are taxed differently in different states. Our tax engine has rules for lots of those products and services. The last area is the tax returns. So doing one tax return in a state once a month or once a quarter may be not that difficult, but if you're collecting tax in 5, 10, 20, 30, or 40 states, doing tax returns in that scenario is extremely difficult. So multi-state sales tax tends to be exponentially more difficult with the number of states that you're doing tax in.
Now, as I understand, Avatax provides preparation of the sales tax form and filing services. Is that correct? What other kinds of services do you do?
Well, okay, so going on to the filing side, it is a full filing solution. Our clients will review a worksheet, approve the amount of tax that's due in each jurisdiction that month, approve it, and we'll do one ACH pull, so one remittance from the client, and then we'll create, file, and remit each individual tax return.
Now, since we're here at Accounting Show, and many of the attendees are CPAs, I was wondering, since you do have a CPA program, just how can accountants, how can CPAs benefit from being involved with Avalara? How can it help their clients?
Well, we do have some benefits that we provide CPAs. Probably the biggest benefit is solving a huge problem for their customers. In many cases, a CPA will have quite a bit of knowledge about sales tax in the state they're from or the surrounding states, but if they have a client that's in a lot of states, many times the CPA doesn't want to do that work at all. And even if they did want to do the work, in a lot of cases, they can't do the work effectively. And even if they did, they couldn't automate it. So we do have a CPA referral program and an accountant's program so that it provides some benefit for them as well as for their customers to refer Avalara to solve the problem.
Great, thank you. Again, this is Bob Scott, the editor of Progressive Accountant, an online publication, talking to Ian Clyde, the sales manager from Avalara, which makes sales and use tax. And I'd like to thank you for joining us. Good day.
Thank you.